Hi, welcome to Hollabof's Happy Hour. Today we're talking about shrubs, a 17th and 18th century technique that the English used when preserving fruit using sugar and vinegar. Today we're going to use pineapple, apple cider vinegar, and sugar. You can use any fruit you want, and you can use different vinegars such as red wine, white wine, and rice wine. It's up to you. There's a lot of combinations you can do to have fun and be creative when making shrubs. The most important thing when making a shrub is having equal parts of everything. The best way to have equal parts of a liquid, a fruit, and a semi-solid like sugar is by weighing it. So for this exercise, you're gonna need a scale. All right, bartenders, you've decided on a fruit. Now we're gonna chop it up and figure out how much we have by weight. You can see this isn't the freshest pineapple. We let it sit a little bit too long, but that's okay. I'm just gonna cover it in sugar and throw it in the fridge. All right, let's see how much this weighs. We're gonna turn that on. Put our portion cup on. Tare it so that it goes to 0. Now we're gonna add the fruit on top. See how that's a bit brown? As long as it's not molding or smelling funky, you're okay. Okay, our pineapple weighs 755 grams. I'm just gonna write that down real quick. Pineapple, just so we don't forget. Let's weigh our sugar. We have 480 grams of sugar, 755 grams of pineapple. So I'm gonna go through and pick out some of that brown pineapple, and then we can pour the sugar over top and get it macerated and get it in the fridge for 48 hours. As I went back and measured out 480 grams of pineapple, I cut it into smaller pieces. It's gonna allow for more surface contact with the sugar, extrapolate more juices, and make a better consistency as it sits in the fridge. Let's dump that sugar over top. I'm gonna get it all the way down to the bottom. This should all fit, no problem. Got all the sugar in there. That's gonna turn into a nice syrup over the next 48 hours. Let's get it in the fridge. Welcome back, you beautiful at-home bartenders. It's been 48 hours. We've let our fruit and sugar sit, and it's now turned into a nice syrup. It's absorbed all that color. We're gonna double strain it and get some apple cider vinegar in there. Okay, bartenders, we're at the straining stage now. You're gonna need a medium saucepan, a strainer, a fine strainer, potato masher or muddler, and then our apple cider vinegar. We weighed out 480 grams, which is the same amount of pineapple and sugar that we used by weight. Now we're gonna mash this and try and get as much juice as we can out of this pineapple. Now over a medium to low heat, we're gonna add the apple cider vinegar, stir for a few minutes, and let it sit. And that's it. We've made a beautiful pineapple shrub. In an upcoming video, we're gonna make a cocktail with it, so check out the link below for that one. And if you like what you see, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to Hollabof's Happy Hour. Thanks for joining us.